Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In today's video we're going to unbox a Pixel Pal made by PDP. This is the Super Mario World Pixel Pal featuring 16-bit Mario, probably my favorite Mario game of all time. Mario, tomatoes, tomatoes. The back of the box features some information about the Super Mario World game, as well as a handy little tidbit that batteries are not included. This Pixel Pal lights up via a switch on the back and is probably the feature I'm most excited about. So let's open this up and take a look inside, caring absolutely nothing about preserving the packaging. Oh, something has fallen out here. Pixel Pal's USB adapter. Not too sure what this is. We'll flip it over. Pixel Pal's USB adapter plugs into a USB power source for a battery-free solution. So it looks like an advertisement for an additional product that you can buy for your Pixel Pal. So there's nothing left in the box there. We'll just toss it out of the way. Toss this plastic packaging out of the way, and here it is. 16-bit Super Mario in all of his glory. On the back is a power switch as well as a label. The bottom and top are pretty bare. It's about the size of my hand. A little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be, but we'll take the tape measure out here and measure it. So it's coming in at just under 6 inches tall. It's about an inch thick and give or take just under 3.5 inches wide. I'll take off the door on the back to see how many batteries I need. Looks like only 2 of them. I'm also noticing there is no USB plug in here, which means that flyer that fell out of the package when I first opened it was an advertisement for a completely different product. So if you do want to power this via USB, you will have to purchase an additional accessory. However, batteries look like they will still work, so let's get those and put those in now. I grabbed some AAA batteries here, and I grabbed some AA batteries. So I accidentally grabbed the wrong batteries. As you can see here, these AA's do not fit. I meant to grab AAA's. So let me just switch those. Here are the proper AAA batteries, which I meant to grab in the first place. As you can see, they fit nice and snug. I'll put the back on and then turn the power on. And here is the moment of truth. Power switch on and he lights up just fine. It's actually pretty bright. I don't know if the camera is capturing it very well, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off all of my lighting and see how that looks. All the lights are off now, so I'll turn this on. It's still a little bright in here, but hopefully the camera is capturing how bright this is. So this is a lot brighter than I thought it was going to be. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, and I'm very happy with it. I really like this 16-bit Super Mario from Super Mario World. Let me know what you think of Pixel Pals in the comments below. If you have any, let me know what you have. I might be picking up a few more because this is honestly better than expected. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. Thank you everyone. Take care.